there's anti-social media, actually. I also don't think there is hype about social media. There is no hype about social media. There's only a lack of understanding. So again, historically, the printing press was reviled the same way social media is reviled today. Nobody liked the printing press when they started publishing books. People felt that people were actually, instead of coming to the church and getting knowledge in a community, they were actually sitting at home and reading that infernal book and not, so so society in general always has a phase sort of shift between disruptive technologies and how we understand it. Again, so there is actually no information overload per se. It's actually filter failure, right? So you get email spam. I don't get email spam because I use Gmail and a lot of smart filters to ensure that I don't get email spam. Eventually, India will get the do not call register going. They've got the SMS, 100 SMS quota now. Eventually, these problems will be fixed. But companies have got to sell. I mean, there were door-to-door salesmen disturbing people back in the day, and now you get phone calls. I mean, it's no different. You can still put your phone on silent, or we'll eventually figure out tools to do that. So it's just that I see social media not just as Twitter, Facebook, or microsites and those things. It's actually more of a core set of 4 or 5 philosophical things. One is that it's participative. It's two-way. Right? Either you do it inside the enterprise, you do it between a customer and a company, you do it externally, it doesn't really matter. Between teacher and student, it is fundamentally an architecture of participation, to use Tim O'Reilly's term. Right? The second element is that there's some element of crowdsourcing or collective intelligence, which is what powers things like Wikipedia or all these other sites, where large amounts of people are able to contribute, even if it's crowdsourcing product design and so on. That you can do any which way. I mean, there are going to be problems because these are new ways in which people interact. There's mobile phones, and there's so many channels in which people interact now. And the third thing was that I saw a slide that said old media and new media. I don't think there's going to be old media and new media. What is old media? If you say television is old media, well, there are social TVs now. Or any of your new set-top boxes in the US come with Facebook and Twitter integration right into your TV. Right, so there is no old media and no new media now. So everything is going to be social media in some sense, right? So microwaves are going to be social. So it's in that sense, you'll have to look at it as not so much a separate new thing that we need to look at, but it's just a new paradigm. That's it, right?